Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Mizma right here, and basically what this is a foam roller. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and the color that we got right here is a blue or aqua color. They do have this available in other colors as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first, let's take off the wrapper to show you guys what the product looks like. So once we take off the wrapper, you can see a better view of the product right here. So just like if you guys can see in this photo right here, that's one way for you guys to use it. Another way for you guys to use it is if you guys want to use it for like your lower back or upper back or whatever, and just lay back. So you can definitely do that on the floor, you can definitely do it on the wall as well. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. If you see on the side right here, they probably got some of the benefits of using the power right here. And then right here, they probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to use it for different parts. Same thing for this side as well. But when you guys take off this part right here, this is what the product looks like. You can see we do have the brand logo right here. And the way how they designed the foam roller is pretty interesting and really cool. So that way when you guys use it, you definitely get like a deep tissue massage, which is definitely pretty useful when you guys are warming up or cooling down. And you guys can see on the side right here, you can definitely see the foam material inside. Same thing for this side as well. So that is everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually test it out to show you guys how it works. So I'm going to test it against the wall first to show you guys how that works, and then we'll use it on the floor. So if you guys want to use it against the wall, all you need to do is put it against the wall and just start using it. So just like this. Just put it in the back and just roll it up and down. If you guys want like a deeper massage when you guys use it, you definitely need more force against it, and then just roll it up and down for different parts of your body. Whether you want to use it for your legs or your back, that is up to you guys. But even right now when we're using it, it definitely feels pretty nice. Especially with the little parts that sticks out. It definitely gives you guys like a deeper massage when you guys actually use it to actually stretch out all your muscles. And if you guys want to use it on a chair, you can definitely do that as well. I do recommend that if you guys want to use it on a chair, it's probably more ideal for you guys to use it on a flat back chair. But that is how you guys use it against the wall. Now let's go use it on the floor to show you guys how that works. Alright, so right here I do have the foam roller. Let me actually test it out to show you guys how it works. So all you guys need to do is put this down on the ground, and you just want to lay it down on here. Whether you guys want to massage like your lower back, your upper back, or your leg, you can definitely adjust it based on your own preference. So let's start on the lower back first. So I just want to lay it back right here, and just leave it on it. And just go like this, and just move it forward and backwards. And then when you guys use it, it definitely feels really nice. It actually gives you guys a really deep massage when you guys use it. And if you guys haven't done this before, you definitely feel a lot of pain on here. But that feels really nice and relaxing after you guys use it. Over time, you guys use it more and more, it'll be less painful. So another way for you guys to use it is on your legs. If I just put it right here and just go like this, I can definitely roll out all the muscles on here to stretch it out. And that is actually really helpful, especially after like a long workout. If you guys went for a run or doing anything involving your legs. So that is how you guys use the powder here. If you can see, it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test upon definitely actually does work, and actually works quite well. Definitely really cool how you guys can use it against like the wall, or you can use it on the floor as well. Or even if you guys want to use it on your chair, you definitely have the option available as well. But I feel like the best way for you guys to use it is on the floor. So that way you can get like the deepest massage when you guys actually use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you got one of these warranties. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality foam roller to use at home, in the office, or even in the gym after working out or before working out. That would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.